third best street dancing. This is for the Bonok Base category. So third best street dancing, contingent number 5.
Third fastest street dancing is Hilas Kabataan Performing Arts of Surigao West Central Elementary School.
They will receive 50,000 pesos and plaque.
Still Bonok Base category, contingent number 6.
Congratulations, Hilas San Juan Performing Arts of Barangay San Juan.
The second best in street dancing for Bonok Base category will receive 75,000 pesos cash and plaque. The award
For the best street dancing Bonok